One thing that I've noticed is that most farmers don't know how to use antibiotics safely for their broilers. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my own tips that will help you use antibiotics safely as a broiler poultry farmer. I'm Chijindu Ryan. Welcome to my channel. There's some things that I normally do in order to make sure that I give my broilers the best, as in give them antibiotics safely, is this. One, I don't use one antibiotics for random treatment. I can't use the same antibiotics that I use in treating something like what's it called, a CLD, something like thyroidox. I will start using it in the treatment of a Newcastle, or preventing Newcastle, because we all know that treating Newcastle it's not an option. You prevent Newcastle, not treat Newcastle. So I don't use it in prevention of Newcastle. And although some people say it works for them, but I don't play guess when it comes to giving my broilers antibiotics. Then another thing is I don't use the drug that I use in treating something like salmonella in treating coccidiosis. Although they both are kind of intestine infection, but I've tried it once and it backfired. I thought it was salmonella. I was giving salmonella drug, and it cross reacted and led to mortality of almost 10 of my broilers before I switched to anticoccidia, and nothing happened. The reaction wasn't there and everything, and they got well, as in they were healed and everything was normal. Then another thing is I always avoid giving my broilers overdose, as in, you see, overdose and underdose, they are the same thing, because overdose will lead to mortality, underdose will lead to mortality, so they are usually the same thing. Because when you are giving underdose, they won't get healed and you'll be wasting your money. Giving overdose, most times overdose will even make your broilers will still be sick. You'll be thinking that they are not inhaled, whereas it's because of the overdose that you are giving them. It might damage their liver. And normally in poultry farming, we used to check their health using their poo. But when the liver has been damaged, they will still be pooing some rubbish poo, and you think is might still be thinking is because they are sick, without knowing that it's because of the overdose that you gave them that damaged their liver. Then another thing is this: I usually give them the right dosage and the right duration of time according to the prescription. If they say that I should give the drug for 3 to 5 days, even if I didn't see anything in day 2 after giving them a drug at day 2, I will not stop. I will complete the 3rd day before I stop. Then after the 3rd day, if I still see something, I will give till day 5. Then after day 5, if I'm still seeing small something, I will pause and give them water for a whole day, so that I will watch and know if I should continue or not. But in most cases, after giving them plain water for the whole day, I will notice that everything has stopped. Another thing is this: do not give your broilers antibiotics a day before vaccination or a day after vaccination, as in avoid it at all costs. Never try that. So these are just some of the safe ways that I give antibiotics to my broilers that have been helping me, and it has really reduced the mortality in my farm, and I believe it will do the same thing for you. Thank you, and may God bless you.